Eddie Bauer 4-wheel drive 6-cylinder in a beautiful color combination, immaculate condition inside and out. Equipped with sync turn-by-turn navigation and hands-free phone SYATM with 911 assist, leather power heated seats, running boards, rear AC and third seat, power windows and locks, cruise control, tilt wheel, AM/FM CD with Sirius satellite radio and more.